The only way to avoid being average is to be who you are. What and who you are right now is unique, individual, and distinctive to you. You are the only you that exists, but if you compare yourself to someone else and try to be them, you become average. You have given your distinction away. You sold it to that person you hold up on a pedestal. They don't want it. They don't. They are too successful being themselves to take on a discarded life that you don't want. If you don't want to be you, you can expect others to not want to be you either. In college, I attended a function of a predominant individual, and I had the chance to meet them face to face. I also wanted to be that person. So when my turn came to meet them, they actually completely ignored me and pushed me aside. They were interested in people who were interested in themselves, in growing and being the best version of themselves. I was not interested in being me. I had pushed me aside, marginalized myself, discounted myself. I was a shelf return, and I was begging people to buy my discards. I learned firsthand from that experience that my garbage is everyone's garbage, and nobody wants garbage. Avoid being average by being you. You are the only you that exists, and anywhere on this globe. What and who you are right now is unique, individual, and distinctive to you. You're ready. My name is Karen Pearson. Live deliberately. Namaste.